Finally level 12. Code Geass. Best operating system. Cool, man. Right. I actually want to do assembly today.
Batch software or video game.
Right. Let's see. Can I find... ...32-bit assembly. I think that's the way to go for the beginning. Yo, Finn, what's up? I just started the stream literally 1 minute, 20 seconds ago. How you doing? Oh, I forgot how to stream, man. It's been so long. It's been a week. Let's see. Also, why you shadow banned? Don't know, man. Sometimes the algorithm makes decision without telling you. Actually, all the time. It makes decisions without telling you. Okay. So we got 8-bit we got 8 registers. EX accumulator, ECX counter. Yeah, this is the stuff we learnt in GCSE computer science. Stream elements, shut your ass up. Shut your ass up, man. Right. Give me learning Does W3 schools got it? Probably not. No, it doesn't. Really? This is such bullshit. Yo, Jamie, what's up, man? We're finally learning your favorite language. Your favorite ass language, man. Assembly, indeed. Indeed. Let's see. Nope. This website doesn't have it. Crimea River, man. Hop on Discord and I will teach you. I want to try find an online resource first. Next. I just want to know how the hell do I compile this piece of shit? Let's do assembly. Don't mind the monkeys. Jamie, I want you to watch me struggle. Is it O? What's it? A? Is it I don't even know. What file? Oh, okay. Is it ASS? What file extension is assembly? Hello, mate. Colin Tiengs. What's up? I wonder, is it 2026 for you guys? Some people in East Europe, it's or actually Asia, it's 2026 for them. Jamie, not yet, but thanks. ASM, okay. Let's do that. Okay. Let's get this thing up. Oh yeah, I did this Codeforces problems like yesterday by myself. I wanted to stream it, but I didn't. And this solution, right? It's so easy, right? This problem. It's the easiest problem I've seen in my life on Codeforces. It is actually fun. Use .s. Did you give up on CPP and move on to assembly? No. I did not give up. I'm still doing C++. This is code I wrote yesterday. Because I tried to do some competitive programming. I actually wrote a macro for C++ competitive programming like shortcut. So if I do CP, fuck, there it is. Alright, there it is. I copied some kid's shortcut like macro. So yeah. Yeah, no, I just want to do assembly because like why not, you know, it looks good. So anyways, back to what I was doing. We'll go here. Main.asm, right. What up, gang? What up, Egg Rhino? Igor. Man, you smell like eggs, man. Okay, well, that's not funny. So, let's see. There's 8 registers. All I remember is the accumulator. Begin with bit 64. Jamie, I need to find out by myself. I want to find out by myself. Okay. So just hex and binary. Essentially, so far. Fetch, decode, execute. Yeah, literally the GCSE computer science curriculum all in one page. Easy. Next. Right, I don't have any of these. I need to install NASM. I don't have that anymore. So, where is that? Assembler. Crimea. Whoa. I have this song stuck in my head. It's not leaving me, man. But thanks. Says the egghead. Bro, I'm not an egghead anymore. I need to go back though. I look way better with a shorter hair, in my opinion. Obviously, Mumsy says otherwise. She says I look better with long hair. We all know whatever Mum thinks is just do the complete opposite, you know. Complete opposite, man. Right. Okay. We got this. Now, is it in my path directory? Or is it? How do Where the fuck did I download it? The installer is currently running. Bruh. I know what happened. Better. Okay. Bro. Here it is. Okay. So now it should be in the path. Oh. Oh, it worked already. I just did that for no reason. Did I delete it? Yeah, I did. Alright. Environment setup. So the assembly program can be divided into 3 sections: data, BSS, and text. Data is used for declaring variables, constants, and it does not change at runtime. Good. BSS is for BSS is for declaring variables. Data is for initializing constants or data. What? Why can't we declare variables up there? Text is used for keeping the actual code. The section must begin with a declared global start, which tells the kernel where the program execution begins. Okay, so global start is essentially like int main. It's the main function of the program, I believe. Yeah, Buzz always looks tough. Yeah, it is working. I realized a bit late. But it's fine. Comments. So comments is just a semicolon. Or on the same line. Okay. You know what my goal is, right? This is what I want to make. Okay. Source code isn't available. It's alright. It's alright. We'll just make it ourselves then. Syntax is label, mnemonic, operands, comment. So only 3 things then. So on a line, we can only have three items on a line. Okay. So 3 commands total is the max you can have, and then a comment at the end if you want. Hello world in assembly. Right, let's check this out. Okay, so yeah. Here, I believe we're declaring this is a load of rubbish. I really don't believe you. You say everything's rubbish, man. Start. So I'm not sure if these tabs are necessary, but I'll do it just in case. EDX len, so message length. We're moving length, a length variable into the register EDX, but what is EDX? 1, 2, 3. All, wait. What is it called? EDX. So what is EDX? Where is it? Data. Okay. So I guess EDX is just a register that stores a variable. DX is known as the data register. What does E mean? I wonder. E, I guess is just a prefix. Data register. Accumulator base. Okay, I can think of X as just being a register. X just means register because it's always the last, X is always the last word for register. So base register, count register, data register. So all you got to remember is what these mean. So accumulator, base, count, and data. Now, I'm not sure what base means yet. We'll get to that later though. Data is used for input output. Wait, where have I gone? Hello world, where have you gone? There. Good. So we're just moving the length variable which we're making now into EDX register with the move command. Move ECX message. So ECX, what the hell is that? Wait. Bro. Where's hello world gone? It just disappears. So. There. ECX. Oh, that's count, isn't it? Yeah. Why we put in a count? A message in a count isn't a message a string. What? Peak way to enter the new year. I know, man. Torture is the best way to start the new year. This only works for Linux. It won't work. Really? Damn, damn, that's crazy. That's crazy. This website, clickbait, man. Clickbait.com, man. This should simply be clickbait.com, Brigitte. Like, what do you mean it doesn't work? You asked me to install a software that works on Windows. So why the fuck don't it work on Windows? Linux system call table. What do? Okay, so what I'm learning now is you can't do this shit on Windows, right? Because why do all of the tutorials say Linux as a sort of default? It's a default resource for learning. It's all Linux. That's mad. That's mad. Bro. Edward Nyirenda. No. Okay. Okay. Let's see. This is going bad. You know, I'm just gonna tear open the can of beans, man. Teach me. I'm gonna change the name of the YouTube stream. Int 0x80. What? What the hell does that mean? Oh, it's a. What's it? It's a system call. Okay. Have I got GCC? And I got G++. I do, okay. Oh, good. So I've got Nassim and... Have I got Ming G? I do as well, yeah? All good then. Option B. The AI is confusing you. You open up tutorial point and it's an Indian talking. Bro, Indians are goated, bro. Them Indian computer science teachers, top notch. So the first thing I see are 1,000 errors, man. I want to learn 32-bit first. But man, shut your bitch ass up, man. I'll only hop on Discord if you help me with 32-bit assembly. If you say in the chat you'll do 32-bit, then I'll join. Okay. So then can I learn? It said yes. That's crazy. Bro, AMD. I don't have an AMD processor. I mean, 64-bit works on my system, 32-bit doesn't, so... This is not going my direction, is it? Alright, man. You win. You win. We'll do 64-bit then. Good. Okay, I'll just get this code and then I'll go on the Discord call. Message box A. This is C, man. What? Oh, okay, right. So it's just telling me the function signature of the C function. So extern message box A. Yeah. Exit process, we're getting those functions in from the C compiler. Okay. Hello, telescope. Bro, what's that profile picture? Oh. It's a sandstorm. I thought that was something else. It's a bit zoomed in. I thought it was two men kissing each other. My bad. Okay. Hello?
Who's there? Who goes there?
Who's that? What's that? I don't know
Who's
what I'm
that?
doing, but I text her WhatsApp
Nothing, you.
telling
Open
her
up
to
the,
come through and then I cop the Big Mac.
Open up the share screen on Discord so I can see you in real time. I'll teach you some assembly. I'm with some clunker. Lie to you and tell you to use 32-bit assembly and use like message box A, whatever it is, with Windows API to get you to print out something to the screen. It's totally ridiculous. Honestly.
Bro, listen, wait, before I do that, can you explain to me, right? When I joined the call and the stream heard your voice, I gained 3 viewers. Is your
It's the
voice that
magic.
beautiful?
It's the magic of my voice, yeah.
You're just that handsome, man.
Or
Yeah.
I've got 3 spies.
He's got so
chasing my
much
voice.
aura.
Oh yeah.
All right. One sec. I'll share the screen now.
Nice one. Now then, here we are. Right then. I don't know if you know this, but there's a extension for Visual Studio Code. Right so then. You can actually. Oh, I don't know if you know this, but why am I hearing myself speak?
I don't know, man.
Anyway, there's an extension for Visual Studio Code.
Yeah.
Just type in NASM. Just NASM, not just assembly NASM. Whichever one has the most.
Yeah, I believe it's this one.
Try that one then. Yeah, whatever one makes. Yeah, there'll be loads of colours on the screen. That'd be alright. Just check your file now if it's installed. There we are. Well, whatever. Yeah.
Good.
Alright. First of all, we don't need message box A. I guarantee you don't even know how that works right now because it didn't tell you. Right. So we can.
I
get
used
rid
it
of
when I was
those
doing C++
externs.
before.
Yeah. I understand, but it's not telling you how it's all working. Like how would you lay out data in assembly? Like in C, it's just a case of opening parenthesis, typing all the variables, all the literals, and it works. Nobody knows why it works.
Indeed.
There's special things they must do in assembly to make it all work, and I don't guarantee ChatGPT can't explain it. It's really annoying. So you want to have hello world on the screen, don't you?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's begin with just typing bit 64 bit. Sorry, bit 64. There we are. Right.
Yep.
In assembly, we've got these things called sections, and this sort of thing is hidden from you in C. Data and code are separate, and that's for good reason. You don't execute your data back and things that cause all sorts of problems. So you want to have a section for read-only data, and you do that by typing in section RO data. I think it is. In fact, sorry, dot RO data. Yeah, that'll be it. So that is data that your code shouldn't modify. These are your constants. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you want to declare your message, like your string. So if you make a new line, type in message. Yeah. And then db, and that means declare bytes.
Okay.
Yep. And then you type in your string, like it is in C, just type in your string. Yeah. Then after that string, put a comma down, and then the number 0. And that's your null terminator, as you'd know it in C. It doesn't exist in assembly, it just purely does what you tell it to do.
Null terminator.
Yeah. So your C functions will rely on that 0 being present at the end of the string. So no one to stop. Comma down, because so the algorithm to find out the length of a string in C, the strlen function, it will just increment the accumulator while the current character is not 0, then it goes on to the next character.
Okay.
So it just counts the number of characters until the number 0 is found. Right.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. And then we got the code, which is in our dot text section. So you need to make a new section called dot text. Perfect. And this is where we have our main function in assembly. You know, the equivalent of a main function,
Yeah.
and we do that with a label. So you just want to type in just main and then colon. Yeah. Not semicolon, but yeah, colon, like you're making a switch and case statement. Right, perfect. And now we've got to set up something called the stack frame. Do you know what the stack frame is?
I can make a
So,
guess, but no.
The stack frame is where all your stack variables live, and I'm sure you know about recursion.
Yeah.
So that works with the stack frame. So in a recursive function, you call the same function in that function. Then, well, what you're really doing is pushing values onto the stack. You know what the stack is, don't you?
Yeah.
So basically, we're doing that sort of thing in assembly, and it's really easy. We literally just type in make a new line, type in push, and then RBP, and this is called the base pointer. So RBP is the base pointer. This is where the stack begins. And make a new line.
What's the R mean?
I can't really remember. I can't remember what the R specifically means, but in my head it just means it is 64 bits long.
Okay.
It's so you just like EBX, EBP, they are 32 bits. RAX is 64 bits, EAX is 32 bits. And I don't know why it's R.
Okay. Yeah, Google
Yeah.
doesn't say anything about it either. It just says
No.
base pointer. It removes the R. It's irrelevant.
Right. Okay, 1 second. Right, so we've saved the base pointer right now, and now we're going to set the base pointer to be equal to the current stack pointer, and we do that with the mov instruction. So you want to type in mov rbp, comma rsp.
Okay. So we're
Yep.
moving RSP onto the base pointer.
Well, don't think of it as physical. Just think of it like an assignment in C. It's just a way of saying assign.
So we're
or
assigning
set
RSP
value.
to RBP.
We're setting RBP to RSP.
Oh, it's the other way around. Okay.
Yeah, in assembly, the first argument or the first thing after the instruction is usually the destination or the target, and
Okay.
the second one is the source or like the data.
Okay.
Right. And then we're making another line and type sub RSP and then comma 40. And this will basically subtract the stack pointer by 40 bytes. You might think that the stack grows upwards for computers, but really it grows downwards. So it starts high and grows low, if that makes any sense.
No.
That's just how it was designed from the beginning. It's going to grow downwards.
Okay.
And the reason why it's 40 bytes is this. Windows requires in something called the application binary interface that the stack must be at least 30 bytes. It must be at least 30 bytes if you want to call the function. And there's also a secondary thing that means that the stack must be divisible by 16, and that's called alignment. It must be aligned along a 16-byte boundary. And there's also another thing. So we have pushed RBP onto the stack, and RBP is 8 bytes because it's 64 bits. Yeah?
Yeah.
And that means we need to have it as 32, imagine it as 32 bytes and the 8 bytes for the base pointer. So
So
that's 40 bytes.
40, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So then this
I can't
puts it back down to like 0.
This sets up 40 bytes of space for you to work with. I don't know if I was right with the 30-bit thing, 30-byte thing. I'll check now. Shadow space. Windows. Oh, excuse me. It's 32 bytes, not 30 bytes
Yeah.
of shadow space. That is correct. Yeah. Right. And now we've got a special instruction called load effective address. Well, it's called LEA. It's all abbreviated in assembly.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah. And the destination is RCX. So you want to do LEA and then RCX, comma, and then you want to open up some square brackets, and in the square brackets type in rel message rel MSG. Well, you want a space after your rel. Yep. So what that is doing is it's assigning RCX to be equal to the address of message. Okay.
Also,
And
hello,
after that-
babes golf club. What's up?
Say again.
I was talking to a guy in chat.
Oh, I didn't know about
Yeah, continue.
that. All right. Okay, so in something called the application binary interface, we have a standard of what registers mean what sort of thing. And on Windows, RCX means the first argument of a function. So
Okay.
if we were to do just call and then put S, it's the exact same thing, it's the exact same way as doing it in C, where you type in put S, open parenthesis, then your string, then obviously your rest of the syntax. It's exact same. So if we just type in call put S, it's the exact same as doing just put S in C.
Okay.
So that will print the string to the output, the terminal. And I'm assuming we're done with that function. And that means we've got to undo what we've done in the beginning of the function. And that means we've got to add RSP 40, and then pop RBP, and then return.
Okay.
So you want to make a new line and type in add RSP. Yeah, after you puts, yeah, add RSP 40. Okay, and then make a new line, pop RBP, and then after that, another new line where you just type in ret. You want a space, but in between pop and RBP, yeah. So you're just doing the opposite of what you did in the beginning of the function. Oh, and if I were you, I would group sub RSP with the push RBP and mob RBP just because it's same sort of thing. Then make space, yeah, that's perfect, yeah. So you can see
I thought
it's the exact
these were the
opposite.
same. Like these 3 and then these 3.
So yeah, so the push RBP, the mob RBP, and the sub RSP, that is called the function prolog. And
Okay.
prolog in Latin just basically means the beginning. This way you set up the stack and set up save all the registers that you need to save. And in this case, we want to save RBP. And the reason we do that is because put s, or any function we may call in the function of anywhere, may alter the register. Because remember, in assembly, we've only really got 16 variables, and those are your registers. So the way that we manage all that is with pushing and popping the registers.
Okay.
Okay, so then we undo what we've done, take away 40, well, add 40 to the stack pointer, and return the base pointer to what it used to be, and then return, well, exit the function. Okay, so
And what's ret
now-
again?
so what return does, I'm sure you remember the instruction pointer. Do you know what the instruction pointer, the instruction pointer, otherwise known as the program counter is?
Oh, program counter. Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Oh, wait,
Yeah.
wait. Oh, I haven't done that, man, in so long. No,
Yeah.
I forgot about it.
Nice. So when we call a function in assembly, there is a secret thing that happens, and we are secretly pushing the program counter onto the stack. And when we return, we pop the program counter, and that means that the program counter returns what it used to be at the time of calling the function. So when we do call putS, it will save the current program counter, jump to where putS is in memory, and when it hits the return function, it will pop the program counter, and then carry on executing on line 15. And again for 17, when we're returning, it will restore the original program counter to what it used to be. It should be handled by Windows somehow. I'm not sure how it does that.
So it puts the counter to where it used to be.
Yeah, the program counter. It restores the program counter.
It slows.
No, it's definitely not slow. Believe me.
No, what? No, I didn't hear what you said. What was that word?
It restores.
Oh,
the
restores.
program counter.
Okay.
Okay. So just before we declare main, so in between line 6 and 7, you want to make main
Bruh.
global. So, so you didn't do that. No. Just type in literally global main.
I brought the other way around.
That's fine. And now we also want
Okay.
to make Nazm know about putS. And we just type in extern putS, like in C. Yeah, that'll work. That's absolutely fine if you do that, yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
And now, to assemble that in the terminal, you want to type in Nazm-F, and then, no, not that. Just ELF or ELF64. Yeah. And then hello_world.asm. Should compile nicely. Don't worry about that. Just let it do let it do its thing.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all done. And that gives us the object file. And then we need to compile the object file, or well, link it really. To do that, just use GCC. So you type in CC or GCC hello_world.m. Okay, that'll do. Just as it is there. And then you the executable, yeah. And then you just type in a.exe. Not the exe, it'll close immediately. Do it in your Visual Studio terminal. Oh, excuse me, /a.exe, yeah.
Start.
No, just type in /. Yep, a.exe.
Uh-oh. Well, we didn't do the third section. We did only 2 sections.
1 second, keyboard. I'll just put it on my machine. I'll see what's going on.
Okay. Crow from Zenny know what's going on.
Section.row data.
Oh, the fireworks they're starting outside my
Um,
gaff.
They've been happening here outside my house for ages now. Absolutely ages.
Yo, YOLO Swag King was good. Oh, you got someone that wants to be taught by you.
Who's that?
Yeah, seems like it.
Who said that?
In general, you
Who
should
said
make
it?
a business out of this, blood.
Who said it?
Someone in general, man.
Oh, generals. I'll put them on YouTube.
Although they do have a
Oh,
YouTube link in their description. Let's see if I'm gonna get rickrolled.
So let's see if we can get this thing to compile. Oh, it should work. I don't know why it's not. Hello.
What?
See, it works on my machine. That's really weird. It works perfectly on my machine. I'm gonna see if we've got anything different to yours.
Let's see. I'll put it
Let's-
in chat just like in case.
There we are. See what the problem is.
I'll ask the clanker as
Global
well.
Sub RSP. So your code is the exact same as what I've got.
It's the
here.
exact same.
Exact same, yeah.
The problem is stack alignment.
That's bollocks.
The column must reserve 32 bytes of shadow space. Yeah. RSP must be 16 byte aligned.
Right. Fair enough. Fair enough. If it's giving you a load of bollocks, try
Okay.
doing sub RSP 48 and add RSP 48 and see what happens.
That's the
If it's
complete opposite
okay-
of what it's telling me to do.
Yeah, say in there to sub RSP by 48 and then sub RSP by what the fucking about? RBP.
You- Bro.
Oh, right, fair enough. Just try it. Just play around with it and see what happens. Because I guarantee you, well, I can't really guarantee you, but it probably won't work. I mean, it compiled on my machine. What's this stuff? Why is it doing? No, I know why it's not working. Oh, right there. Right, Gabe, it's because you're doing. Look at. How have you messed up? So what's going on here? How have you changed it so much when I wasn't looking?
Wait, what? What did I change?
Quite a lot of stuff there. Yeah, that's okay. That's what it should be. Right. So on line 18, just change it to be add RSP 48 and 13 sub RSP 48. Okay. Compile it like so. No, you don't compile the assembly. Just type in cc hello_world.o and then execute it with /a.exe. There we are. It says right there, hello world.
Victory!
There we are. We finally printed something in C. Assembly, rather.
Victory, my friend.
Yeah.
It works. Alright, guys, I'm gonna sell an assembly course now. My ass is fully qualified. Ah. Right, let's go through this one by one. See if I remember.
Sure.
Mix the
I was watching Pokemon when I found out that you were streaming.
You watching Pokemon?
Yeah. Who's this?
You're not celebrating New Year's Eve.
Celebrating what, bro? It's just a calendar.
You know, man. I mean, unfortunately, I agree with you. It's just a calendar change, really.
Yeah. And plus, we just celebrated Christmas. And I got blooded on Christmas. Well, not like slurring my words, just like just drunk.
You got
Well, I don't
plastered.
even know. I mean, not. To be honest, I've been drunker at home than I was on Christmas. Yeah. Right. Let's see if we can understand the assembly you put in the chat. Well, not put in the chat. Put on your code editor.
One sec, man. It seems like my stream is buffering. Unfortunately, yeah, the video's buffering a lot. Right. Is it back in? Oh shit, this is bad. This is bad.
Is Steam
Oh, no,
now
it's
doing an
fine.
update?
It's fine. Oh, good.
I finally got a
good.
custom kernel working on my laptop today. It was taking me ages. I was able to write my own little microkernel in C and get that loaded up on my spare laptops.
What operating system was it on?
It's not really it's not really named. It's just like about 100 lines of C code. Got a VGA driver that I wrote in there.
A
The
VGA
keyboard.
driver.
Yeah, and a keyboard driver as well, and like a raw I/O driver. Oh, sorry, it's not C. It's C++ that I've written it in. Yeah, I started writing it in C, but I got a bit annoyed because I wanted like namespaces and templates and all these other amazing things that C++ does. But the problem is because it's C++ and the C++ standard library uses like new and delete and all these other things.
Yeah.
It meant I had to make my own C++ like standard library. So I began writing my own C++ standard library.
Bloody hell.
Yeah. Right then. So do you understand the code that you've written?
Oh,
You
wait,
slowed
wait, wait, wait. Wait, one sec. I know why. I know why this is happening. It's because I'm streaming to you in 2K resolution, 40 FPS.
2K resolution.
Why the fuck am I filming? Do you know why? Actually, I just realized it's because I have Nitro. Oh my god. Nitro screwed me up, man.
That's well funny.
I got it for free though, it's fine.
Who paid you? Was it? Did Mika give it to you?
I got it for free for a month.
Who gave it to you? Was it Mika?
No, it was. I got it from what was it? Like Xbox Game Pass or something.
Xbox get oh.
Something gave it to me. I don't remember. Oh no, it was Epic Games. Yeah, on Epic Games.
I download all my games off the Pirate Bay because then I actually own one download and it's free. Downloaded all my anime, my cartoons from Pirate Bay.
Pirate Bay. Just
Yeah.
use Crunchyroll.
Why would I pay for that? Like I can search on Pirate Bay. Pokemon, and download all the Pokemon. Regular show. Download all the regular shows. South Park, download all the South Parks, and then I put it on on one of my SSDs that's on network sharing, and that means that if I download VLC Media Player on my phone, I can basically use my computer as a server, like a media center. So I can lie in bed using VLC Media Player on my iPhone, watching South Park or Pokemon, and it works perfectly.
Fair enough,
Can't get
man.
that on bloody, Netflix without paying a fortune. If you want to have Breaking Bad, just pay £15 a month fee. South Park, another £15 a month for Paramount, £10 a month for Crunchyroll. End up paying about 40 quid a month just watch your favourite cartoons and whatever. If you're not done it on Pirate Bay, it's all free. It's mint.
You heard about Plex?
Plex. Oh yeah, I remember that from years ago. I remember about Plex 10 years ago actually. Yeah.
Cable
My
Kitten in the
uncle-
chat just said use it.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It says it's free.
Yeah. Yeah, it is pretty good. My uncle, who's also named Jamie. My uncle, who's also named Jamie, uses Plex as well. Got all the family, free movies. And when I was 12 years old, he would burn like Xbox 360 games onto like one of these blank discs. So he gave me like a whole collection of discs that would work on my Xbox.
Sick.
Yeah, man, just burned them on there.
That's a cool
Burn-
uncle.
Yeah, man. And that's why my cousin Cameron, he's got something like 100,000 gamer points on his account because he's got so many games that I just illegally downloaded.
Bro, gamer score was such a flex back in the day.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's not now though.
No. It meant something.
I know a guy that got to 80,000 gamer score, and he's only been playing for like 2-3 years. And
yeah.
It's just mad, man.
It's like
Don't mean anything these days.
100 gamer, start up the game, 100 gamer score. Like, collect a coin, 50 gamer scores. It's like why more levels of inflation of gamer score to give as much dopamine as possible to anyone who plays it.
It's a money grab as well. There's some games, there's a game called Castle which I actually bought. It was like £3 or something, and that got me like 4,000 gamer score or 2,000 gamer score for like half an hour game time. It was silly,
way,
silly,
man.
silly, silly. There's lots of those games.
Man,
All right, so
back
this
in the day,
assembly.
that was the hard thing. Right, back
This
into
assembly. Right, this bits 64 makes it x64. No shit. Extern puts gets the C function, puts it in this program.
So bit64 will tell the assembler to compile it as 64-bit code. We use extern putS. It's like including a header file in C. It doesn't know about putS until you tell it about putS. So that'll make a symbol in the ELF file or the object file called putS, and then when you compile it with CC, you'll remember about it. Like, oh yeah, I know about putS. I know about it from my standard library.
Yeah.
Yep. And then we've got different sections. So in assembly, or really every program, you just don't know about it because it's not obvious in C and C++. The program is split up into a number of sections. You got read only data. And that's obviously data that doesn't change. It's always going to be that data.
Yeah, read only.
And it's not one of three. It's one of many. There's read only data. There's BSS. There's text, and there's custom sections actually as well. For example, in C++, there's another section called .ctor, I think. I think that's it. I saw it online on OS Dev Wiki.
Wasn't it in 32-bit assembly? There's only 3 sections.
I don't know. It's, 32-bit assembly is ancient. It's like 1980s technology. And I know that 64-bit came off in the 1990s, but it's still new. Oh, Siri was talking for a second. Don't know why. Yeah, 32-bit's ancient. It's really old.
Good.
And I doubt we'll ever see a 120-bit CPU.
No, that's not gonna happen.
128-bit. There's no way.
Not in our lifetime.
No, it's not necessary because, well, think about it. In the 1980s, 4 gigabytes of memory was unimaginable. I mean, 4 whole gigabytes in 1980. That's
What?
mad.
Really, it was unimaginable.
Unimaginable. 4 gigabytes of memory. 8 megabytes was like $1 million to make. So 32 bits can only address up to 4 gigabytes. And that's why old computers will never have more than 4 gigabytes.
Yeah, because they're 32-bit.
Yeah, there's not enough bits to represent all the information needed to address more than that. But however, 64 bits, that's like exabytes. That's mad. It's ridiculous. You can't imagine that. I'll Google it now. How many
Isn't it like
bytes can 64 bits
16
address?
exabytes?
It says here 16 exabytes. That makes no sense. And the reason it makes no sense is because all the entire internet can fit in about 1 petabyte. And that's like in scale, that's about 1 megabyte compared to a gigabyte. It's nothing, honestly, 1 exabyte is so much. How many exabytes? Well, petabytes in exabyte. So 1 exabyte is equal to 1,000 petabytes. And obviously there's 1,000 terabytes in 1 petabyte. So how many petabytes is the internet? Oh.
Real quick, Jamie, I've got a question. Pop, does that pop RBP? Does that pops the base pointer from the stack?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that pops the base pointer from the stack, which is just a number, and then sets the number to be RBP. So it's kind of like a mixture of like popping, like I just think about it from C, and deciding. So it pops it and then assigns the register to that the result of that pop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everything's commented now, so done. Easy peasy. Easiest language in the world, man.
It really is, honestly. or simplest, I'd say. Simplest. It doesn't go wrong unless you go wrong. Which is quite odd because so many rules and everything like that. So let's see, load effective address, RCS, well, I know you meant RCX, is the first argument of a function. Next line, call the put_s function from the object file, very true. Add 40 to the stack pointer, pop the base pointer from the stack. Here it's all, yeah, perfect. Yeah, all good.
Cool, man. Thank you so much for that. I've got to go to sleep now.
Oh, perfect.
Got shit
Right.
to do tomorrow, innit? Gotta work.
You'd be coding in assembly, and you'd be having dreams like me of like 3-dimensional worlds made of like assembly instructions. It's mad. Like I just dream about like this entire world of made of assembly instructions.
Now the real journey begins for programming. This is tutorial finished. Well, no, tutorial started. Yeah. Can't wait to dream in assembly, man.
You all do, honestly, because it really fuzzles up your brain. It's just so different and just so like logical. Like you'd be dreaming in assembly, like that kid, like the YouTube video, like 14-year-old kid dreams in code. That's me, but for assembly.
Bro, I rewatched that video like 10 times. It's just so crazy. That guy made apps and shit at 14.
Yeah, well, you look into his history, and it's basically he's got his old rich parents. His old rich parents. That's pretty much it. That's the gist of it. But yeah, you gotta go to sleep. I'll go and carry on watching Pokemon.
Okay, wait, one thing though. Someone in the chat
Yeah.
asked, Ellie Underwood, would you learn ARM assembly? Would you recommend?
I don't have an ARM CPU. I've got x64. I mean, I've got like a Raspberry Pi somewhere, but I hardly use that. It's really old. Because obviously ARM is reduced instruction set, so it'd be simpler. But x64 is so powerful. You can do like so many crazy things like comp x chug and like VP FMAD sub PQ mask underscore like nonsense. Like it's just amazing. It's like your Arduino, Gabe.
Yeah. Wait, so does the Arduino have ARM? Use ARM?
I don't know.
I'm gonna check. If it does, then I actually might learn it, like, because I do want to do microcontrollers as a future. Like, why not?
Yeah.
Sounds cool to me.
Yeah, it's cool,
Does
isn't it? Yeah.
Arduino use
I'll see you later, Gabe. Have a good one.
All right. See you later, mate. Good night. Happy New Year.
You too. You too.
Bye bye. Okay. Arduino does not use ARM. Okay, wait. Arduino Nano. That's what I got. It does use ARM. Okay, good. Yeah, well, if that's the case, then yeah, I might learn ARM at some point. You fuck me with my rug. Let's get a rug reveal. Bro, if you want a rug reveal, go on my YouTube channel and look at the day in a life video. You can see the rug right there. Like, you're like the 18th person just in December to ask for a rug reveal, man. Everyone loves my rug. It's just like a Persian rug. You should get a chip and learn RTOS stuff. I'm currently learning C++. I don't think I have enough RAM in my brain to learn all that kind of stuff, man. But thanks for the suggestion. Yeah, if you want to see the OBS, or if you want to... What the fuck? If you want to see the rug, here it is. Wait. Don't mind the mess of tech, right? I'm currently selling it. But can't move it anymore. Okay. Yeah. Your rug reveal right there. What can I see, man? What can I see? What the fuck? Nah, the problem with this rug, man. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. Get stuck. And I gotta do some calisthenics to lift it up. From the... lift the wheel off the rug. Every day, man. Alright, everyone. Have a good night. Have a happy new year, or have a sad new year if that's what you like. If you're black pilled, have a sad new year. We've got different choices in life. But yeah, this assembly stuff has been fun. I'm gonna do it more. If you want to see more assembly, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the Discord community. Join the Discord server. Link in description. That feels so cringe to say. Oh, I can finally have the assembly role in my Discord. I'm finally not an outcast. But yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good night.